history. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Looks like a giant candle. Ooh, it's a loud one too. Feel the thunder. Simply beauty. Beautiful. I've seen a lot of launches, and this one's got to be one of my most memorable. It's history tonight. This launch is history. This will go down in the record books for sure. Took a mean angle right now. Helicopters and stuff, airplanes flying around. Right over here. You can't really see all the airplanes. There's a lot of airplanes. There's probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the rocket is pretty much gone.